Hello, this video is going to discuss Ohm's law. The objective is that students are able to recite the equation and principles of Ohm's law. So make sure you have something to write your notes on, and let's get started. First, let's talk about what resistance is. Resistance is an electric quantity that measures how much a device reduces the electric current flowing through it. In other words, the more resistance there is, the less the current. The unit for resistance is ohms, named after George Ohm, a German physicist from the 1800s who did a lot of work with electricity. Ohms are given the symbol omega, or that upside down horseshoe looking kind of thing right here. That right there. It's actually the last letter of the Greek alphabet, so I would just pronounce that as ohms if I were reading it as a unit after a number. The equation for Ohm's law is voltage equals current times resistance. So that V is voltage measured in volts, the I is current measured in amps, and R is resistance measured in ohms. There's a couple other equations that use resistance in them with other things we've already talked about, like power, current, and voltage. One is power equals current squared times R. The other is power equals voltage squared divided by R. So anytime a problem has these kind of things in it, you can use these equations instead. And these are both on the equation sheet. Time for a challenge question. If the resistance in a circuit is doubled, by what factor will the current flowing through the circuit change? Will it be twice as much current, 4 times as much current, half as much current, or 1/4 as much? The answer is half as much, because the more resistance, the less the current. Time for another question. If the resistance in the circuit is quadrupled, by what factor will the current in the circuit change? It will be 1/4 as much this time. So they are inversely proportional. Thanks for watching. Remember to answer all the questions on Edmodo and bring your notes with you to class to help on the in-class note quiz. Bye.